Hey guys, we received this kelamayi upgrade broom and dustpan set for test and try. Self cleaning with dustpan and the teeth with the indoor and outdoor sweeping stuff. So this comes in this normal packing, and let me just open this up and show you the assembly part first and then the final working thing. So this is a set of the broom and the dustpan. So it's good that both are in one set, and then need some little assembly part so that you can see it here. So the broom after assembly is around 50.39 inches, and there is the option for the extension rod, and also like the pen is 38.18 inches, and the width of the broom is around 10 inches, and for the dustpan is 11.4. So these are provided, like how you can assemble. So let me just start with this assembly. This holder part will go with the dustpan, and then each part looks very similar, so you can easily put in with the length and the height. So you have to just rotate and put it inside each part like this way, so that you can easily assemble this part. The dustpan also have a nice silicone thing that easy for you to the put in the dust easily inside it, and then the holder help to hold the broom. So it's pretty straightforward to assemble like the dustpan, and then dustpan also have the teeth, so you can self clean the broom with these teeth, and everything will be collected in the broom, the dustpan part. So nice overall, and this looks really good as well with a non-slip handle and the things. So after this assembly part, I will show like the full assembled product, that how this will look like. So this is how this looks like, and then it's easy to see like the broom is really perfect, and then it's easily going into the dustpan with the silicone thing, with the teeth thing you can easily take out, or the self clean part. With the length and the height wise, you can see both the broom and the dustpan, even the other mode, so you can easily and clearly see. So nice handle to grip with a non-slip handle, and also the nice grip for the pen and the broom. So this one is easy to hold inside this broom pen thing, and just click and it's good to store. So it's easy to put in, just be sure for the bristles, and then click and just put it aside. So nice overall dustpan and the broom set with a nice cleaning thing, self cleaning, easy to clean and use and store, and then you can also store in the straight way. So nice pen set overall, and I really recommend this if you are using a manual broom and pen set.